There are a lot of situations that require our presence, but often enough, we can't be there. Recent studies show that we are only human, which means we can't be everywhere. But what if we could? Have you ever forgotten to do something before leaving home, like turning the lights off? How about having to go back to the office to help out a colleague? And wouldn't it be absolutely amazing if you could take a stroll on the surface of Mars? Teleportation would be nice. Sadly, we don't have that yet. However, using today's technology, the internet, and robots, we've come up with the next best thing. After a lot of learning, planning, and countless hours of work, we've created BrainyAnt, a web service that allows you to control many different types of robots from places all over the world. Just go to BrainyAnt.com, log in, and take control of any available robot. You can look around, send commands using the keyboard or the touchscreen, and interact with the environment. If you're someone who's passionate about robots and you have devices of your own, it's really easy to connect them and share access with family, friends, or anyone. The device can be a robotic arm, a rover, or even a drone. All it needs is our open source libraries and a web connection. Why don't you give it a try?